Tumble down the rabbit hole into Pandora's Manor, a sprawling colonial revival, recently restored and reinvented as an upscale bed and breakfast. Meet the roster of A-list designers who've each been given a bedroom as a fresh palette, and see how they've worked their magic to bring this home back to life and honor its classic American appeal.
Hi, I'm Thom Filicia. I'm an interior designer. How would I describe my space in one word? The best. I'm just kidding. I would say it's serene. I think what inspired me most about Pandora's Manor, I would say first and foremost, the building itself. Although it's very classic in its design and very timeless, there is still a clarity to a lot of the architecture in the house. I really wanted my room to feel a little bit more kind of quiet and reserved, and a little bit more about a place to go and sort of recharge your battery, and at the same time also be sort of an infomercial for my product. What I like about my space and what really inspired me was the use of the space. I felt like having sort of a sitting room or a room that you could entertain in as well as a living room. For me, it was very appealing because it's something that's important for me to have this kind of space to sort of unwind in after a long day, but not have to be sort of sitting on my bed or just in my bedroom. So the wall coverings that I chose for the room, again, are part of my line, and I chose them because I actually really love them and I use them quite a lot. The abalone pattern for the ceiling I just thought would be sort of bring your eye up, really take advantage of the volume of space and the height of the ceilings. And just would be, again, that sort of unexpected kind of detail. But also the wall covering that I used in both my closet, my walk-in closet, and my bathroom is another wall covering from my line. That one's called Madagascar. And they're both performance wallpapers, so they're both printed on vinyls, and but they look like really beautiful wallpapers, but they just perform really well. So I call them bulletproof. They're actually not, but they're pretty close. I always say that, when I design rooms, whether it's for a home, for a client, whatever we're doing, I always say that, the attributes of the design should be the same attributes you use for your best friend, and sort of how you refer to them. And you think like, okay, who's the ideal best friend? It's like someone who's interesting, dynamic, fun. So you kind of go through all of these things and you think, okay, that would be a really great design.